What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. On this episode, we're going to talk about, are you at risk of hair loss from not drinking water? So let's look at these four things. Number one, water is the Uber Eats, right? Imagine Uber Eats. It's the delivery service for your cells. It's delivering minerals and vitamins to your skin. Thus, those minerals and vitamins are being delivered to your hair. Your skin is the soil. Your hair is the plant, and they work hand in hand. And then number two, it plays a crucial role in your skin and hair's homeostasis. So when everything is not clicking and ticking and is out of balance, it's unbalanced, then you're gonna get dryness, you're gonna get dandruff, you're going to get itchiness, which has played a part in hair loss. Number three, your body will not be able to absorb any water-soluble vitamins because it would need water present in order to do so. These vitamins are biotin, the people's favorite, B12, B5s, B6s. If you're dehydrated, your body will not absorb these key vitamins and minerals that you need in order to grow your hair and have healthy skin as well. And number four, your body begins to break down when it's in a dehydrated state. So what it does is smart enough, it gets into survival mode and it says, oh, I need to reroute water from your skin and from your hair, and I need to reroute it to your vital organs. And when it does the reroute method, it's going to reroute the minerals and vitamins. Thus, you're going to find your hair has nutritional deficiencies, so now it's not able to grow. And for your skin, it begins to break down. You're gonna lose strength, you're gonna lose elasticity. And what comes with that? Your skin begins to sag, you start to get fine lines, you start to get wrinkles, you're looking like you're aging. So you should understand that water plays a key component for your skin to glow and for your hair to grow, okay? This is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy, and I'll see you on the next episode. And we out.